Hello friends, Suryavardhan here and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to make a dust cleaner. So, here it is. I have some dust over here and it's going to clean it. So, if you want to know how I make it, watch the video till the end. The things required to make dust cleaner are a 9-volt battery, battery's cap, switch, DC motor and a brush. So let's get started.